Hey guys, it's Aubrey
and Tara from the Corrigan Sisters, and today we're going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookies.
We've been perfecting this recipe for so long. These chocolate chip cookies are crispy on the outside, chewy, gooey, and chocolatey on the inside.
This is a one-bowl recipe and is perfect for beginners.
So without further ado, let's get started. To make this, you will need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 8 tablespoons of salted butter, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar packed, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 4 ounces of chopped chocolate. You can use any kind you would like. Preheat oven to 350 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. So first we're going to start off by browning our butter. In a small saucepan on medium-low heat, add half a cup of butter and cook until it turns a nice caramel nutty color. If you want more detailed step-by-step instructions for browning butter, see description box down below. Browning your butter toasts the milk solids, which gives your cookie that extra flavor. We highly recommend this step, but you can always use melted butter. Now pour the browned butter into a heat-proof bowl. Add in 2 ice cubes and mix until fully melted. Doing this adds back some of the water that was evaporated while cooking and also cools the butter down. In a medium-sized bowl, add half a cup of browned or melted butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 cup of brown sugar packed, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Stir until combined. Now sift in 1.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon salt, and half a teaspoon baking soda. Now mix until combined. Your dough should be a little sticky. Now for the fun part. Fold in 4 ounces of chocolate chunks and half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Adding 2 different kinds of chocolate adds more texture to the cookie, but you can always use one or the other. Now cover and chill for 30 minutes. Once chilled, scoop dough onto a lined baking sheet. Bake for about 7 to 8 minutes in a preheated oven at 350 degrees or until the edges are lightly golden and the center looks slightly underbaked. Once they are just out of the oven and hot, bang the pan on the counter a few times until there are crinkles in the cookies. Let cookies cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a cooling rack. These cookies are loaded with melty pockets of chocolate, and the browned butter really adds a great depth of flavor.
Alright, so these are best served fresh out of the oven, but they are easy to store and are just as good the next day.
So let's get on with this taste test. That was an experience.
You guys need to try these.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we will see you next time.
Bye!